Hello students, welcome to the practical sessions. So in these sessions I'll show you few programs. Okay, so first program is to read two numbers and an arithmetic operator and display the result accordingly. Okay, let us start. That means one operator will use, and according to the user's input, the addition and subtractions, multiplication, divisions will be there. So this program can be completed by the help of if statements. I'll show you how to use the if statements in this program. So first we'll write the codings here. Always try to write by using hashtag. One comment will write at the top of each program. So now we'll write the code. So in this code, first you see we are writing num1 equal to first input the value, first number we are entering, num2 equal to second number we are entering, then after that one operator we are using. Okay, first we are using the input statement for num1 and second input statement for num2. Then one operator will use here, result equal to 0 we are storing, if operator equal to plus sign, so result equal to num1 plus num2. Similarly elif will write, because more if statements are there. If it is negative minus sign, so subtraction will be there. If it is multiplications, then multiplication will be there. If it is divisions, then both number will be divided, quotient will get. And if it is modulus sign, so a remainder will get. Otherwise invalid operator should be printed. Okay, then after that result will be printed. Let us execute. We'll press F5, then it will ask you to save it. So we'll save, then we'll get the result. So first number will enter. Suppose I am entering the first number 3, next one is 4. So which operator you want, so use the operator, suppose plus sign, so 7 is coming. Another example, another once more will do. Here 7.0 is coming because float was there. So now again 4, then 5, so operator I am using the multiplication side, so output is coming 20. So I hope students you understood. So we'll go for the second programs. In this program we'll check the nested if statements, whether a number is divisible by 10 and 3 or not. Nested if statements. In the similar way, first you type the questions by the help of a comment, hashtag, then after that we'll write the coding. Check a number is divisible by 10, both 10 and 3 or not, because I'll show you the logical operators also. That's why I have written this both 10 and 3. So now we'll write the codings here. So first we are writing n equal to int input enter a number. That means the number should be the integer type. And after that we'll check the number is divisible by 10 or not. If it is divisible by 10, again you check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, it is divisible, then the statement should be printed, else that divisible by 10 will be printed. So this first if and else one block is there, again the outer side block was there, else statement, it is not divisible. So in this way, this is the help of the nested if we are using. So now we'll execute it, then it will ask you to save. So enter a number. Suppose we are entering a number that is 40. So 40 is divisible by 10 only, not 3. Again, once again we'll run it. We are entering 30. So it is both divisible by 10 and 3. I hope students you understood it. So we'll go for the third programs. In this programs, we'll print all even numbers from 10 to 50 using for loop and print all even numbers from 50 to 10 in reverse order by the help of the while. So already I have written the codes here, just you see. So here range I have written here 10, 51, 2 in for loop. It means it will continue 10 to 50. That's why I have written 51 and difference is 2. And when I am printing it, so print I, end option is given. That means print it will be printed in the same line. First loop, that is range statement, and second one is print statement. In the similar way, we are writing the while statement also. In while, first we are storing I equal to 50. Okay, end statement actually we are giving just to print in the same line. Then in while loop, we are storing that is just to print reverse order. So first we'll store I equal to 50, then while I greater than 0, and the similar statement, and the incrementation decrementation operator must be statement must be there in while. After that we'll execute by pressing F5. It will ask you to save. You save it and execute. Now you see 10 to 50 is coming, and here it is 50 to 2 in reverse order. All the even numbers are displaying. I hope students you understood this one also. Okay, so next we'll go for the fourth programs. Let us see. In this fourth programs, we'll check the showing the use of break and continue statement. Already I have told the break and continue statement, so I have written a programs here you see. So break statement in the first loop, it is given the break statement if I mod 3 equal to 0, then break statement will be there, else print I. Okay, so I'll tell you in details. So use of range is given 1 to 11. So break statement is given if I mod 3 equal to 0. So what is the value of I? I is first 1. 1 is divisible by 3. No means print I. So first 1 will be printed. Okay, so first 1 will be printed because 1 is not divisible by 3. So that's why in else statement 1 will be printed. Then 2 will be checked. So 2 will also not divisible, so 2 will be printed. But 3 is divisible. That's why break statement means it will exit from the loop. Okay. Similarly, in continue statements, first the range is the first number is 1 is given. So it will continue till 10. So 1 is divisible by 3 or not? Not divisible, so it will go to the else statement. So print statement will be there. Again 2 is the same case, but 3 when it will come, 3 is divisible. So when it is divisible, the true statement is continue. Continue means rest of the statement will not be printed. It will continue from the beginning. Okay, so 3 will not be printed. So it will go to the beginning of the statements. So you will go for 4, but 4 is not divisible. Not divisible means printing statement is there. 5 is also not divisible means printing will be there. But 6 is divisible, so continue means printing statement will not be there. Again 7, 8 also same case, but 9 is divisible, that's why continue statement will be there. But 10 will be printed again. I hope students you understood. Okay, so let us execute. See, first one is 1, 2 is coming, next is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So in this way we can execute it. Okay, so first 1, 2 is coming because according to the statement it will, the break statement is there, and in between you see 3 is not there because continue statement is there. When the this one will fulfill, that means it will ignore the statements. We'll go for the next programs. In the next program, we'll see the nested loop. So find the factorial of the number 5 to 10. So first we'll write this is nested loop. 5 to 10 means 11 will write. Factorial of the programs will write here. So range will write that is 5 to 11 because 10 we want, so 11 will write. Then we'll write f equal to 1. Why? Because for finding factorial, the product case. 10 is given, that's why we are writing here 11. So now f equal to 1 will write. So now use another loop. That means finding factorial means 1 to that number. That number is I value was first 5. So that's why we'll write I plus 1 6. If 6 will be there, then it will take up to 5. Then find the product f equal to f into x. Then print. Command should be outside the loop, outside the means inner loop. So we'll print the value of I, means whose factorial we want, and f is the final product. Okay, suppose 5 is there, 5 factorial means 120 should come, because 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like that 6 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like that the value will come till 5 to 10. So let us see what the output is coming. We'll execute by pressing F5. Now you see factorial of the number is 5 is 120, 6 is 720, like this. So I hope students you understood. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.